Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Lingua Insights. Once again, this is Mavish, and today my topic is preposition. Also, I have made another video for you guys about preposition by analyzing different situation through the example of cat. But in this video, I will guide you the preposition, the use of preposition in a very different way. So here is my short introduction. You know very well, I am Mavish Rana, MPhil Linguistics, MAt Elementary. Here is my lesson agenda, that is motivational activity, prepositions, prepositions of time, prepositions of place, preposition of direction. Here are some lesson objectives that are define the meaning of a preposition, provide various examples of sentence using prepositions properly, and differentiate the use of preposition of time, place, and direction. This is an activity for you guys. Describe the preposition of the following on the road map: bench, supermarket, restaurant, hospital, street light, street sign. So, by analyzing this picture, you will be able to understand the appropriate use of the preposition. This is your brainstorming. So guys, preposition is a word that connects noun or pronoun. It shows a relationship between noun or pronoun. A preposition is a word that shows the connection between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. They describe the relationship in terms of sequence, space, and logic. Like the apple is on the table. The preposition on indicates the connection between apple and the table. She took notes during the meeting. The preposition during indicates the connection between notes and meeting. So here are some examples of preposition, like there are so many words: aside, as, away, above, about, across, ago, beyond, before, despite, from, for, hence, here, in, inside, and opposite, out of, per, toward, through, with. These all are some examples of prepositions. So let's discuss preposition of time. Preposition of time shows the relationship of time between the nouns and other parts of a sentence. For example, he bought a car last year. The preposition last indicates the time connection between the subject and the act of buying a car. School starts on Monday. We will arrive at noon. Her birthday is in May. By the way, my birthday is also in May. And she will be here by 7 p.m. So by, in, at, on. These are some use of preposition according to the situation, according to the sentence. As we have discussed earlier, that preposition of time indicates some time. Preposition of place indicates some place. A preposition of a place is a preposition that is used to describe the location of something or someone. Like I am at home. The preposition at indicates the location of the subject. There are so many examples, like she is in the garden. She knocked at the door. The bill is in my wallet. He left his phone on the table. So on, in, at, in the garden. These are some use of preposition that shows the connection of a time. As it is very obvious by the name that preposition of direction, it means we are discussing about some direction. Preposition of direction describes how a person or thing moves or is directed with respect to other people and things. For example, Samira went to the mall. The preposition to shows the movement of the subject from one place to another. We have so many examples, like the restaurant is across the bank. She came home from school. She left for the Philippines. He's walking towards me. So these are some example of direction like across, from, for, and towards. Let's try, guys. Here is a picture on your screen. You can analyze this picture and brainstorm, create meaningful sentence by using the images in the box and the right preposition you learn in this lesson. By analyzing this picture, you will be able to understand the appropriate use of preposition according to the sentence, and you will be able to understand which preposition can be used according to the sentence, according to the situation, whether a preposition of time, whether preposition of place, whether preposition of direction. This is your brainstorming, guys. Yeah, think about it and put a right preposition by thinking uh, from the lesson. So, guys, what do you think by this? This is the lamp. This is the table. I'm giving the clue. And table, lamp is here, table is here, and apple is here, and books are under. Like, I'm giving you the clue, and you will brainstorm and you will analyze and understand by yourself. After watching this video, you will be understand to use of the appropriate preposition according to the sentence. Here is another example. By analyzing this picture, you will be able to understand the appropriate use of preposition. This is for your guys, and you will be able to understand by watching this video. Here is another picture for your brainstorming. So I hope you will put an appropriate preposition according to the situation and right preposition by watching this video. So guys, I hope you will understand after watching this video. If you have any question, you can comment on my YouTube channel. I will tell you guys. Thank you for watching Lingua Insights. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your attention. Stay connected with Lingua Insights for more engaging and interesting videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay connected. Stay blessed. Thank you.